So in this video we are going to tackle a super common interview problem, Leetcode 217 contains duplicate. So it's a must known for beginner and also a good warm up question before diving into more advanced array problem. So let's break it down in a style. Okay, so as you can see, we have given a statement and a statement saying that you are given an array of integers and your job is to check whether any value appears at least twice. If yes, return true. If all elements are distinct, return false. So let's look at the example that we have given here, right? And you can see the one appears 2 times, right? And so we'll return true because this is duplicate. Okay, so this is the code we have done here. As you can see, right, we have taken a set, right, has set. We'll iterate over the elements, we'll take a for loop and we'll iterate over the elements of the array. We'll check if the set contains this element, will return true, means this is duplicate because set contains unique elements, right? And then if it is not on the set, we'll keep adding on the set, right? First we'll add on the set. If not in the set, what we will do, we'll add on. If on the set, we'll return true. That's we will do, and we'll return finally for default. Okay, so you could go brute force and compare each elements with every other, right? You can take two nested for loop, like for loop 1 and for loop 2, and you can iterate and compare each element for each other, right? But that will be your brute force approach, right? You can tell to your interviewer that this is the brute force logic that I'm going to do, and you can explain the brute force logic as you can do, right? And you can also say that the brute force approach will take O of n square, right? But that will not be efficient for the large array, and so I'm going to use this way, right? You can take a hash set. I'm using the hash set. I'm going for the iterating all the array elements. I'll check if the set contains, will return true, otherwise will return false. Otherwise I will add on the set, and finally will return false if this is not the case, if all are unique, right? Like that you try to tell. Okay, but don't be hurry like I'm showing you here, because I know I have already explained you how to walk through in the interview, right? So please watch all the videos in this playlist. I have already explained in the first or second video, right, how to explain the brute force and how you can come up with the optimal solution in the interview, right? So let's understand how does it work, right? So we initialize an empty hash set, right? We initialize an empty hash set. Then we have looked through the array. If the number already exists in the set, we will return true, right? If not, we'll add on the set, right? If the loop ends, we'll return false. Okay, and this works in O of n time because we are iterating all the elements, right? And the space we are adding on the set is also O of n. So this way we will get a better, and every pair will have in this set. Okay, so let's try in again. So if the if the initially the set will be empty, right? Now we'll go with 1. The element, when we make the loop, the element from the first element will come as a 1, right? So it is not on the set, we will add on the set, right? Now 2 will come, so this is also not in the set, right? We will add on it. 3 is also not in the set, we will add on it. We found 1 is already in the set, right? So we will return true, right? And boom, we catch the duplicate and we return true. Okay, so to summarize this, use a hash set to track what we have seen. Return true if we see the same number again, otherwise return false after scanning the whole array, right? This is how your clean, simple and fast problem. Okay, and if you enjoy this video, that breakdown, please smash the like button, subscribe for more easy to follow Leetcode tutorials, and drop your favorite array question in the comment, or tell me what topic you like to see next. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one, guys.